channel. Last time we had studied this complete syllabus of our course that we are going to deliver in the next coming classes. Before going into the discussion of grammar, let's take a simple question, and that is, can a language be learned without a grammar? Simply means, is it possible for us to learn a language without understanding the grammar? The answer is yes. We can learn English language without grammar. Let's come to the next discussion. If we can learn a language without a grammar, what could be the possibilities? What could be the possibilities? We can learn the English language without grammar through observation and through interaction. I gave you two examples in the last lecture, and that were a small kid learn the language of his mother in her lap by the age of 5. From the date of his birth till the age of 5, he learned complete language without understanding the grammar. This is the first example. Second example is when a person goes to abroad, goes to a foreign country, even if he is illiterate, he would learn English language or he would learn any other foreign language. And it is just because of his observation. When he looks around, he looks at the things, right? And by interacting with the people, by interaction I means the purpose for which he is abroad, secondly, and he might be having some necessities of life. For example, if he goes to a shopkeeper, he would interact in their native language. He would try to learn that things, the names of things and names of commodities in the English language. So by interaction, he learns the language, right? So he can learn that language without a grammar. But remember, without a grammar, learning a language has two benefits. He would have a command over the listening skills, and he would have a complete command over the speaking skills. Thereby means he would be having two skills in which he would be capable of: listening skill and the speaking skills. But there is a big but, or he would not be having a command over the writing and the reading skills of that foreign language. If he learned the language without a grammar, he would not be having any command over the writing skills of that language and the reading skills of that language. It is just because he has not learned that language through the grammar. So when we talk about learning the language without a grammar, we would call it a deficient method, a faulty method. Or you can say we would learn, or that person would learn that language without a grammar by 50%, right? Since English language, or an English language learner must have 4 skills to be efficient in: the listening power, the speaking power, the writing power, and the reading power. And if you learn the language without any grammar, it's acquisition, and he would only be efficient in listening and speaking, but he would be deficient in writing and the reading skills. So learning a language without a grammar, or learning a language through conversation, is a faulty method of learning complete language.